Imprint Wealth app. The pros, the cons. Imprint Wealth is a robo-advisor that promises tailored portfolios for modern investors, but is it really the best fit? Starting with the pros first. Personalized portfolios. Imprint Wealth creates allocations based on your goals, risk profile, and timeline. Second, accessibility. Users can start with relatively low investment amounts, making it approachable for beginners. Third, automation. The app handles deposits, rebalancing, and performance tracking automatically, reducing investor workload. Now, the cons. One drawback is fees. Compared to other robo-advisors, management fees may be higher for smaller accounts. Another limitation is limited self-directed options. Advanced investors wanting to select specific stocks may feel restricted. The surprising truth? Imprint Wealth is best for hands-off investors who want guidance and simplicity, rather than active trading. In conclusion, the pros: personalized portfolios, accessibility, and automation make Imprint Wealth appealing for beginner and intermediate investors. The cons: fees and limited control may deter those who want a more hands-on approach.